So students, now let's start activity 3.3, graph of trigonometric functions. So our objective for this activity is to plot the graph of sin x, sin 2x, 2 sin x and sin x by 2. So students, now let's see the procedure for the given activity. First, take a graph paper of size 30 cm by 30 cm and paste it on a cardboard. So students, our first point of the procedure is take a graph paper of size 30 by 30 cm and paste it on a cardboard. Second, draw two mutually perpendicular lines and mark them as x-axis and y-axis. Prepare a table for ordered pairs of sin x, sin 2x, 2 sin x and sin x by 2 for different values of x. So prepare a table for ordered pairs of sin x, sin 2x, 2 sin x and sin x by 2 for different values of x. So students, we have constructed our table of ordered pairs at different values of x, that is 0 degree, pi by 12, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, 5 pi by 12, pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 7 pi by 12 up to pi. And these are the values of sin x at 0 degree, that is x at 0 degree, sin 0 degree is 0, sin pi by 12 is 0.26, sin pi by 6 is 0.50, sin pi by 4 is 0.71. Similarly, the values of sin 2x, 2 sin x and sin x by 2 have been provided in this table. So students, now let's see the demonstration for the given activity. Plot the ordered pairs x sin x, x sin 2x, x 2 sin x, x sin x by 2 on the coordinate axis. So plot the ordered pairs x sin x, x sin 2x, x 2 sin x and x sin x by 2 on the coordinate axis. And join the point by a freehand curve using different color. So plot the ordered pairs x sin x, x sin 2x, x 2 sin x and x sin x by 2 on the coordinate axis and join the points by a freehand curves using different color. So students, we have drawn all the values of x along x-axis and the trigonometric values along y-axis. So now we'll plot all the ordered pairs. First of all, let's plot for sin x 0, 0, second pi by 12 and 0.26, pi by 6 and 0.50, fourth pi by 4 and 0.71, pi by 3 and 0.86, five pi by 12 and 0.97, pi by 2 1, 7 pi by 12 0.97, 2 pi by 3 0.86, 3 pi by 4 0.71, 5 pi by 6 0.50, 11 pi by 12 0.26, pi it is 0. So now join the points with freehand curve. This is the curve for sin x. Now let's plot the curve for sin 2x. So students, in the similar way as we have plotted sin x, we plot the points for sin 2x and the curve obtained is given here. Similarly, now we'll plot the curve for 2 sin x. So students, in the similar way we have plotted the curve for 2 sin x. As you can see here, 2 sin x curve that goes maximum to a height of 2, and at pi the value of 2 sin x is 0. So this is the curve obtained for sin x by 2, which is 0 at 2 pi and maximum at pi, that is 1. So students, now let's see the observation for the given activity. This is our observation table and the maximum height of graph is given. So maximum height is 1 for sin x at x equals to pi by 2. At x equals to pi by 2, 2 sin x has its maximum value 2. At x equals to pi by 4, sin 2x has its maximum value 1. At x equals to pi, sin x by 2 has its maximum value 1. Now, we observe that the graph of sin x and 2 sin x are of similar shape, but the maximum height of sin 2x curve is double the maximum height of sin x. That is, at pi by 2, the height of sin x is 1, whereas the height of sin 2x So we observed that the graph of sin x and 2 sin x are of similar shape, but the maximum height of 2 sin x curve is double the maximum height of sin x. That is, maximum height of 2 sin x is 2, whereas the maximum height of sin x is 1 at pi by 2. Second, at x equals to 0, sin x equals to 0. At x equals to 0, 2 sin x equals to 0. At x equals to 0, sin 2x is equal to 0, and at x equals to 0, sin x by 2 is also equal to 0. Third, in the interval 0 to pi, the graphs of sin x, in the interval 0 to pi, the graph of sin x, sin x by 2 and 2 sin x lie above x-axis. Whereas some portion of sin 2x lie below x-axis, below the x-axis. So students, graph at sin x and sin x by 2 intersect at x equals to 2 pi by 3 in the interval 0 to pi. Graph of sin x and sin 2x intersect at x equals to pi by 3 in the interval 0 to pi. So the maximum height of sin 2x is 1 at x equals to pi by 4. Maximum height of 2 sin x is 2 at x equals to pi by 2. The maximum height of sin x by 2 is 1 at x equals to pi. Hence, we conclude that the amplitude of k sin x is k and period of sin k is 2 pi by k.